This is the Mode65. It is built with black cherry pie Frankenswitches, which are Jwick bottoms, 62-gram Durock Springs, Durock POM Linear stems, and Hyperglide black cherry housings. We went with the half palm plate and GMK Boba Fett. Let's go. Are we doing predictions? I don't know. No predictions. Yes, Durock POM Linear stems. Oh, god damn. It's a great feel. Wow. Wow. I don't know what to say, but wow. You know, that's the problem with no plate, with plateless. Backspace and enter usually don't pop. Half plate, though. Alright, let's hear the... The full palm plate might even be good. This is... That's with the palm around it. And the alphas are plateless. Regrets.